In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a brush stroke Canva frame like this effectively. For instance, if you're going to use it to print on a t-shirt, sublimation or DTF, I'll show you what to do. The first thing you're going to do, go to resize, and in resize, go to custom size, and then we're going to put this into inch. Okay, I'm going to work on here. Think about your sublimation paper size. Think about how big you want your DTF template to be. So we're going to change this. Let's say we're going for sublimation. I'm going to put here 13 by 19 paper. Okay, now we have this, and I'm going to click on resize this design. So this will be my paper, and so this is how big the design will be. I'm going to bring it a little bit in. Okay, the way how to use this, you need to upload a background. In this case, I'm going to go in element and look for a background. Here are graphics. Let's see. Your background should be a PNG file, just like the ones I have on my website. Let me load one of these up. Okay, I'm going to take one of these. Let's say this one. I upload it into my Canva, and then I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to drag and drop it. You see that? And now it becomes the background. Now I can go on and add my other elements like other things like text and images on top of it to create a design. So this is how to use my Canva frame and the backgrounds I have available for you. Thank you for watching.